On Earth, sunsets are poems painted in orange and crimson. But on Mars, the colors are reversed. As the cold air settles over the rust-red plains, the sky begins to glow with an unexpected hue. A soft, haunting blue. Imagine standing there, alone on the Martian surface. The air is thin, the silence absolute. The horizon stretches endlessly, painted with dust and rock older than any civilization on Earth. And then, the sun begins to fall. It's smaller here, just a pale disk in a distant sky, its light dimmed by a world wrapped in iron oxide. But as it sinks below the horizon, something extraordinary happens. The world turns blue. The blue of Mars is not the blue of our oceans or skies. It's a strange, metallic glow. As if the planet itself breathes in sadness and exhales light. This is not an illusion, but science in motion. The thin Martian atmosphere is filled with microscopic dust particles. Each one scatters sunlight differently than the thick air of Earth. Instead of red and orange rays painting the sky, these particles let the blue light linger near the horizon, while the warm colors scatter away into the distance. For a few minutes, the world feels upside down. A planet of red dust bathed in blue twilight. It's a sight so delicate that even NASA's Curiosity rover paused to capture it. Its cameras recorded the sun dipping behind the crater rim of Gale Crater, framed by a halo of sapphire light. It is one of the most surreal views ever witnessed in our solar system. If you stood there in person, you'd feel the weight of silence pressing against your suit. The temperature would drop sharply. The light would fade, and for a fleeting moment, you'd be surrounded by the bluest calm you've ever seen. No sound. No wind. Only the hum of your oxygen system. And the dying whisper of sunlight from 225 million kilometers away. It's beautiful, and lonely. The kind of beauty that makes you think about existence itself. Because in that moment, Mars reminds us that nature doesn't follow our expectations. A sunset doesn't have to be red to be breathtaking. Sometimes, the universe finds new ways to surprise us. Ways that feel almost poetic. Perhaps that's the true message of the blue sunset. That even in a world of dust and desolation, beauty endures. That color and light can find their way through emptiness. That somewhere in the silence of another planet, there's still a reason to look up and smile. Someday, humans will stand on Mars to see this with their own eyes. And when the sun dips low and the sky turns blue, they'll remember that back on Earth, blue meant daytime. But here, on this strange and distant world, blue means the end of the day. The universe is full of contradictions. But sometimes, it's those contradictions that make it truly beautiful. A red planet with a blue sunset, a cold world that burns with light. That's Mars, mysterious, silent, and endlessly fascinating.